Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all of you. This is Amit, and you are watching Study with Amit. So today we are here with the topic, as you can see here, functions. So it is very important, as I have said in our previous video, that there is surety of 15 marks question from these functions. There are many different things in these functions, so we'll learn today. So let's start with today's classes. So first we have two types of functions. Formal parameters, actual parameters. Call by value and call by reference. So about this, I'll not go in theory part because it will take lots of time. So about this, there is informations and PDF file of this are available in description box. So do go and see that. You will find the PDF of these and important notes. So download it from there. So we'll move towards the programming language. So our next important topic is function overloading. So what is function overloading? Function overloading. If we have seen that if we use like prime once public static void prime, and once again if we use prime, this function is repeated twice, so this is called function overloading. If we use this more than once, we can say that if we use this more than once, it is called function overloading. Using of certain functions more than once, so it is called function overloading. So this we have learned. So after this, we'll do one programming in this function. So we have a question: overload a function vol finding volume of cube, cuboid, and square. This I have written in short. This is question: write a program to overload a function vol and print and find the volume of cube, cuboid, and sphere. So what we'll do, we'll write class volume. This is volume. Vol index. We have used here once vol. After this, inside this vol, it is for 1, which is cube. So we write int volume of cube VOC is equal to S into S into S, and we'll also print it. Volume of cube is equal to plus VOC. Yes. This once we have written, use this vol. After this, again we'll use. Copy down this. Public static void vol int L int V int H. VOC means multiplication of this. Volume of cuboid L into B into H, L into B into H and volume of cuboid is equal to plus VOC. This we have written inside this again. Copy down. We will write again this and we will write double R. We will store one value double PI capital is equal to var dot pi. Var dot pi. Now what is the volume of sphere? We will write a VOC only as because that is input. VOC is equal to what is the volume of sphere? To the power 3. This whole will be inside one bracket. So volume of sphere is equal to plus VOC. Three functions we have written in wall. So after this, we will write the main function oblique static void main oblique static void main. You just make one correction that you just change this static, cut this in the before functions which we have done in wall, in which wall is written, cut this. We'll write wall OB is equal to new wall, this open and close bracket, enter the site, int s1 sc dot next int ob dot wall S1 and S1 will be inside the bracket and whole program will be closed. This is the function programming. So hope you have understood the overloading of functions, how we use one function like wall twice or thrice in putting one value, and at last we use here main function, which at last takes the input and calls here object, and there will be no static in before which three functions which we have written, because this here we are creating object and static does not allow to create as object. So this will not write this in that function part. So hope you guys have understood this. This is very clear to all of you. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Like, comment, share and subscribe this channel So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.